Ever see those stunning shimmering cookies on Instagram and wonder, what's the secret? Well, today I'm spilling the secret. I'll show you an easy, magical way to use luster dust with a wet application to transform plain cookies into dazzling, elegant masterpieces. Imagine turning a simple cookie into a showstopper. It's easier than you think, and the results are guaranteed to impress. All right, let's dive right in. Before we begin, let's gather everything we'll need. Having your tools and ingredients ready will make this process so much easier and enjoyable. Luster dust. I'm using gold for this demo, but there are so many colors to choose from. Clear, vanilla extract, or alternatives like vodka or lemon juice. A small bowl for mixing. A small soft paintbrush. Disposable gloves. Optional, but helpful to avoid sticky hands. Paper towels to keep your counter clean and catch any spills. Let's start with step 1. Mix your luster dust. Add 1/4 teaspoon of clear vanilla extract to your bowl first. Then add a pinch of luster dust and stir it gently with your brush. You're aiming for a smooth paint-like consistency, so adjust with a little more liquid or dust as needed. Take your time here to ensure it's mixed evenly, as this will give you the best results. Now step 2. Get your cookie ready. Place your cookie, which has been flooded with royal icing and fully dried, on a paper towel. This helps keep your workspace tidy and makes cleanup a breeze. If you're working on multiple cookies, set them up all at once to streamline your process. Next, step 3. Apply the shimmer. Dip your paintbrush into the luster dust mixture and gently paint it onto the surface of your cookie. Use smooth, even strokes to get a beautiful, shiny finish. Don't rush. Take your time to layer the shimmer for a more vibrant effect. Keep in mind that as it dries, the colors may appear slightly lighter, so adjust accordingly while applying. If you want a drier, more intense color, try reducing the amount of liquid in your mixture or loading your brush with more luster dust before painting. This gives you a richer, bolder shimmer that stands out beautifully. Watch as that plain white royal icing transforms. It becomes a gleaming masterpiece with a soft, elegant shimmer. It's almost like magic, isn't it? I hope you're loving this process as much as I am. Have you ever tried using luster dust in your baking before? It's such a game changer for adding that extra sparkle and elegance. Maybe you have a unique way of decorating your cookies or a family trick passed down through generations. Share your tips and ideas in the comments. I'd love to hear them and keep the creativity flowing. In my kitchen, I love experimenting with food photography and baking techniques to celebrate the art of creating something truly special. From shimmering cookies to dazzling cakes, there's always a new way to add magic to your treats. I hope this inspires you to pick up some luster dust and try something new. Let's bring that sparkle to all your baked creations. If you want to add extra flair, try layering different shades of luster dust or adding a border design with a contrasting color. This technique works beautifully on all kinds of cookies, from holiday shapes to everyday treats. Beyond cookies, luster dust can also be used to decorate fondant-covered cakes or add shimmer to chocolate truffles. It works beautifully to give a sparkling finish to macarons, or can even be mixed into buttercream frosting or bundt cake glaze for a luminous touch. If you're feeling adventurous, experiment with different liquids like vodka for a quick drying option, or lemon juice for a subtle citrusy aroma. And there you have it. Your cookies are now ready to shine, dazzling everyone who sees them. Whether you're prepping for an elegant party, crafting a heartfelt gift, or simply surprising your family with something special, these cookies are guaranteed to steal the spotlight. Imagine the delight when your guests see these shimmering treats. It's a conversation starter and a showstopper all in one. If you've been inspired today, don't stop here. Try this technique on different baked goods or experiment with colors to match any occasion. Baking is as much about creativity as it is about taste, and luster dust is your secret weapon for adding that magical finishing touch. If you're wondering how to package your creations beautifully without breaking the bank, I've got you covered in my next video. Thank you so much for joining me on this fun decorating journey. I hope you try this technique and share your creations. Until next time, happy decorating and keep sparkling. See you in the next video.